Hello all, in this video we are going to see the naming conventions in the Java programming language. We have to use lowercase for all the variables and methods. For example, if you have a variable name called age, it has to be all lowercase. Or radius, it has to be all lowercase. Or if you have ID, all lowercase. Even if you consider methods, for example, print, like we have system.out.print or the println. So these all are the lowercase. However, you may have multiple words. So for example, dog age. Whenever you have multiple words, always you have to start with the lowercase in the first word, and then the first letter in the second word, and then the first letter in the third word, and so on should be the uppercase. For example, book title. My sum. Okay. And then for the methods also in the same way. So always the methods would have parentheses, right? So you would be able to pass some arguments there. Print or println, and let's say calculate average. Same way. The first word should be all lowercase, and after that, the first letter should be the uppercase. Even in the third word too, if you have a third word. And this is called a camel case, so that it would be helpful for audience to read what your variables are. The reason is because it represents the camel humps, like a real animal camel hump. That would be able to see like that. For the class, you would be able to capitalize all the first letter of each word. For example, if you write a dog class, dog, student, yes, capital. Let's say bank account, array list. Okay, so all the first letters in each word should be capital. And for the constants, you would be able to capitalize each letter and use underscores in between the letters. Constants are something called like a pi. What else? Like a max value, min value. You can use whatever the values, whatever the variable names that you want to use. Interest rate or simple interest rate. You may use compound interest rate. I'm just copying this. So capitalize every letter, not the first word, not the first letter, but every letter, and use underscores in between the words for constants. Okay, so if you use this, and when you actually look into the code, you would be able to understand whether that is a constant, or it's a class name, or it's a variable, or a method name. Okay, you could review this concept as well. Thank you.